Make sure you watch the full video, don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
Imagine discovering two rolling mansions so outrageous they redefine American luxury forever. Stay until the end, because one unbelievable surprise changes everything. Before we begin, subscribe now or risk missing future jaw-dropping luxury motorhome reveals that only our community gets first. Today's showdown features a $55 million Rolls-Royce masterpiece against a $48 million Kenworth Titan. Let's begin. First, the Rolls-Royce arrives dramatically. Its sculpted exterior gleams beneath bright sunshine, blending timeless elegance with futuristic confidence. Up front, illuminated crystal grille elements surround commanding headlights, creating unforgettable presence. Along the sides, seamless bodywork, hidden compartments, panoramic glass, and glowing accents showcase effortless sophistication. Around back, animated lighting and integrated storage complete an elegant departure. Inside, the driver cabin surrounds the captain with handcrafted leather, floating displays, voice controls, and whisper-quiet comfort. The luxurious living room welcomes guests using designer seating, marble finishes, panoramic windows, and ambient lighting. Smart technology manages climate, security, entertainment, lighting, and every convenience through intuitive commands. Next, the gourmet kitchen features premium appliances, invisible induction surfaces, refrigerated storage, and robotic assistance. Nearby, the elegant dining area transforms every meal into a fine restaurant experience beneath sparkling lighting. The peaceful bedroom offers a king-sized retreat with panoramic skylights and customized comfort. The luxurious bathroom presents heated marble, rainfall showers, intelligent mirrors, and spa-inspired relaxation. Continuing forward, the private office combines productivity with breathtaking scenery through advanced connectivity and ergonomic furniture. Beside it, the massage area melts stress using therapeutic seating and personalized wellness programs. A dedicated medication room safely organizes essential healthcare supplies. The laundry area quietly handles clothing while remaining completely hidden. A stylish minibar serves handcrafted beverages beneath glowing shelves. Unexpectedly, an indoor swimming pool creates resort living anywhere. Children enjoy an imaginative playing area packed with interactive entertainment. Couples escape into a romantic private lounge featuring breathtaking views, warm lighting, and total privacy. Finally, the rooftop deck delivers luxury seating, elegant fire features, panoramic scenery, and unforgettable sunsets before one breathtaking exterior beauty shot concludes this extraordinary Rolls-Royce experience. Now the mighty Kenworth enters confidently. Its bold exterior emphasizes commanding proportions, muscular lines, and premium finishes built for endless American adventures. The imposing front combines aggressive styling, signature lighting, and polished detailing. Along the sides, expandable sections reveal incredible living space while hidden storage maximizes practicality. The sculpted rear completes an unforgettable silhouette. Inside, the driver cabin provides panoramic visibility, intelligent assistance, premium seating, and effortless long-distance control. The luxurious living room surrounds visitors with oversized sofas, cinematic entertainment, elegant materials, and welcoming warmth. Smart technology synchronizes navigation, energy management, climate, security, lighting, and entertainment through one seamless interface. The spacious kitchen features chef-grade equipment, generous preparation surfaces, hidden storage, and premium appliances. Nearby, the dining area comfortably hosts memorable family celebrations. The luxurious bedroom offers hotel-level comfort, panoramic windows, and adjustable lighting. Inside the lavish bathroom, heated flooring, rainfall showers, and premium finishes create daily relaxation. Moving onward, the private office supports productivity with high-speed connectivity and quiet surroundings. The massage area delivers personalized wellness whenever needed. A dedicated medication room stores essentials securely. The laundry area keeps every journey organized without sacrificing space. A premium minibar showcases refreshments within elegant illuminated cabinetry. Then comes another astonishing surprise. An indoor swimming pool transforms travel into permanent vacation. Kids enjoy an exciting playing area designed for creativity and fun. Couples relax inside a private love lounge surrounded by luxurious finishes and peaceful atmosphere. Above everything, the rooftop deck offers outdoor dining, stylish seating, panoramic American landscapes, and unforgettable evenings before a final exterior beauty shot celebrates this incredible Kenworth. Every transition reveals another handcrafted detail, proving that nothing inside this Kenworth feels ordinary. Hidden mood lighting changes with the scenery, oversized panoramic windows erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors, and premium insulation keeps every conversation peaceful regardless of weather. Every surface feels carefully finished, every control responds instantly, and every journey becomes unforgettable. Watching this giant glide across open highways feels less like driving and more like commanding a luxury resort that never stops moving. That breathtaking combination of engineering, comfort, innovation, and visual drama explains why enthusiasts everywhere dream about experiencing this remarkable machine at least once during their lifetime. Even parked, curious crowds gather instantly, capturing photos, admiring every detail, and wondering how such extraordinary luxury can exist on wheels. This unforgettable finale, the ultimate comparison between these unmatched American icons. Both masterpieces push engineering and imagination beyond ordinary expectations. The Rolls-Royce impresses with refined elegance and effortless sophistication, while the Kenworth dominates through bold presence, massive space, and adventurous capability. Which extraordinary motorhome would you proudly choose for your dream journey across America? Tell us below, then like, share, and subscribe because our next luxury motorhome adventure will reveal even more unbelievable rolling mansions you definitely will not want to miss.